G'day guys. One of the things we really hate is YouTubers who do an unboxing episode of a brand new product they've just taken delivery of, and then they tell you it's the greatest thing they've ever had or ever used and they don't know how they live without it. This is not that unboxing video. We spent years chasing the 9-to-5 dream, waiting for the weekend just to breathe.
Last year we dipped our toes into travel and YouTube and realised that there was so much more to see.
After a few life curveballs, we realised Sunday isn't the day of the week.
So we quit the rat race.
I'm Sean.
And I'm Renee. Join us as we trade the offers for the open road and start truly living our best life.
Subscribe and come along for the ride. As you know, we've been using the Sun's Adventure and 4x4 camp chairs for over a year now. We absolutely love them. They are brilliant. They're the best camp chair we've ever had. And we've had a lot of camp chairs. We've had the cheaper nasties from BCF. We've had the cheaper nasties from online. The bags rip. The bags are too tight to actually fit the chair back in. You just about need an engineering degree to get your chair back into the bag. And we've also gone, and then there's nowhere to put drinks and food and books and your phone and stuff. We then gone for a director's chair, which was super heavy, but had an aluminium table that folded out to allow us to put a drink down. The problem we found with them, they only folded in half, and then we had to store it down the side of our bed in our van where it was rattling around, okay, or store it on our bed, or it took up the vast majority of the space under our bed. Couldn't fit it in a tunnel boot, just too wide. So after a lot of research online, as I say, about over a year ago now, I found Sun's Adventure and 4x4. And we ordered a set of their chairs and we absolutely love them. Now, a few of you have reached out and asked what brand chair we've got because you've seen them in our video. We have absolutely no hesitation in recommending Sun's Adventure and 4x4. You've gone and purchased those and you absolutely love them as well. The feedback that we've been getting has been brilliant. Now, about 2 weeks ago, I reached out to Matt and Brian, the owners of Sun's Adventure and 4x4, and asked them if we could get a discount code to help save you some money. And they very generously have agreed to that. They also sent us their latest version of their chair because the chair we've been using has been improved on. Now I've unboxed one and set it up, a lot better quality. Now I'm going to unbox this here and show you what you get when you order your Sun's Adventure and 4x4 camp chair. Lightweight camp chair, as it says on the box, it weighs about 4.5 kilograms, super light. Now when you get it, it'll come in a box, as I say. Open it up. Inside the box is a plastic bag, and inside that plastic bag is your camp chair. Let's put that over there. You take the plastic bag out. Now, really good quality, sturdy, generous bag in order to put your chair into. Nice good quality drawstring. Comes with, if you order it, so they do have available these cup holders and phone holders that clip onto the side of the chair. We'll just put that down there for now, and let's take the chair out. So the first thing I noticed the moment I reached into the bag and grabbed the top of the chair is the canvas is a lot thicker than the old style chair that we have. So it's a really good quality, heavy duty chair or canvas. On the back here you'll see a plastic piece of card which is just packing. Now to open the chair, just put the legs down, pull back on the handles on the armrest like that. I'll flip it around so that Renee can show you. Open up the back and then just clip the lock into place. While we're at the back, it's got Sun's Adventure 4x4 embroidered on the back of your chair. You've got a really good quality pocket there that's elasticated. And then good quality armrests. Okay, now when the chairs come out, it's in the recline position. I'm just going to sit down here and just show you how easy it is to move this forward. This is why we went for these chairs, because they recline into 4 different positions. Then, nice and easy, recline back. Or you can just grab it at the back and move forward. Nice and simple, nice and easy. This is really good quality canvas, and the chair itself is super sturdy. Alrighty, so that's the chair. This here just clips on to the legs of the chair like that. So now you've got somewhere to store your drink and somewhere to store your phone. In the bottom of the box, in this little plastic bag, you will find a headrest that has on the back 4 tie points, I suppose, where you can hang or clip things onto the back of your headrest. It literally just slides over the top like a pillow, like a pillowcase, and you've got yourself a nice headrest there as well. Now, because it sits over the top, there's other ones I've seen on the market that are far more expensive than this chair, that they just slide over and then they slide down and they end up sitting halfway down your back. That's going to stay in place as a headrest, and that is super comfy. And if I pull it back like that, thank you very much, that is comfy. All right, so with your chair you can also purchase this here to give you additional storage. Again, it's a nice little pouch, so a couple of pockets. So we've got a pocket big enough to put a drink, a cup in, and then a book or an iPad, and it literally a couple of press studs over the arm of the chair, 2 press studs at the front, 2 press studs at the back, and now we've got options for drinks, books, iPads, another drink here, phone here, sit back, recline. If only I had a footstool. In here we have the fold out stool. Now, for those of you who watched our Bridgetown episode, you would have seen that I stepped out of the van and broke Renee's plastic stool that was her footrest, because we were using it as a step to get in and out of the van, and so I owed her a new footrest. So comes in a nice carry bag. You can use it to put your stool back in if you need to, or you could use it for any other purpose. But nice good quality carry bag. All right, so this is it. Super excited about this. Good, nice and light. So this weighs 1.6 kilos. It is a super lightweight piece of equipment, and it is more than just a footrest, right? So most footrests, footrest and a seat. This here also has pockets on the side for a phone, and then a book or an iPad or something. But this here also folds up on top and is a table. So you get a seat, a footrest, storage, and a table all in one. Super light, super solid, super practical piece of kit. Definitely recommend that. The last thing I want to show you is this here, and this is the one I'm super excited about. So this little bag here, this little bag of tricks, is a table. It weighs a couple of 100 grams, if that. Undo the zipper, take this out and unroll it, and in here we have a shelf. It's all wrapped up, and these are elasticated legs. So we've got 2 there that are the bars of the table. Give this a shake and it all Spider-Man's out like that. It locks into position, feet down. Then we'll take these here, slide them over that, and slide that over that, like that. Lock that into position. On the bar here is a little slot. It just slides into that ball connector there and there. We'll bring this through and we'll do the same again. Put that through there, that through there. Super easy. And that under there. All right, so now we've got our little basket in place. Now our tabletop clips in here like that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a super sturdy, drum tight, super lightweight folding camp table. Absolutely brilliant. I love that. So if you're heading off, you can use this hiking, you could use it if you're tenting, caravanning, you can use it when you go and visiting your other caravanning friends that you've made. Take this up with you, you've got yourself a table to sit your crackers and dip on and your drinks. But yeah, I like this. This is a really good piece of kit and super cheap too. So, Sun's Adventure and 4x4. If you're interested in any of this gear, the chairs at the moment, well, they're having a sale at the moment, and the chairs are currently $159 per chair. That is super cheap for a chair of that quality that has all of those features. So reclining, 4 different positions, super comfortable, super sturdy chair. If you use our discount code, Living Our Best Life, you can get yourself 5% off all Sun's Adventure and 4x4 merchandise and save yourself a few dollars as well. Really great quality. Can't recommend it highly enough. If you're in the market for a set of chairs, a table, footstools that are also a table, that also have storage on them, check out Sun's Adventure and 4x4. I'll drop the website details here and put in Living Our Best Life to save yourself 5%.